Purchasing OMI on the Ascendex, previously known as BitMax Exchange, Part 1. After you create your account, you're going to want to select your deposit method. In this video, I'm going to be using USDT. When I'm on the USDT deposit page, I'm going to want to make sure that I select the correct chain type. Because I'm going to be depositing USDT through the ERC20 or the Ethereum network, I'm going to change the chain type to ERC20. That's going to give me a unique deposit address. You're going to want to copy your address and then send the asset to that address. Make sure that you are only transferring whatever asset that you have to the same wallet inside of the exchange. So only send USDT to USDT, or only send Bitcoin to Bitcoin or Ethereum to Ethereum. Make sure and double check that you have selected the appropriate deposit method compared to which cryptocurrency you want to be putting into the exchange. And then go ahead and submit the deposit to the wallet address the exchange has given you. Because I'm withdrawing from the Binance exchange, in this particular example, I'm going to be processing my USDT withdraw by pasting the address that Ascendex, or previously known as BitMax, has provided me. I'm going to be selecting the ERC20 network, and the quantity, I'm going to be choosing the maximum amount in this instance. Now that the deposit has cleared on the exchange, I'm going to go into the trading tab. Keep in mind, if you are a brand new user for the exchange that we're talking about in this particular video, as of the moment, there is a 24-hour withdraw restriction. So basically, for 24 hours after the initial creation of your account, you will not be able to withdraw anything. Coming over into the trading tab, if you were to deposit something other than USDT, you would have to first find the pairing. So for example, if you deposited Bitcoin, you would want to come over to the right-hand side where it says USD with the S. You could either search BTC, and then you would see the USDT pairing pop up. You would go ahead, you could click on it, and you would want to sell your Bitcoin. You could choose whatever specific price by either typing one in or just clicking on the order book and selecting one of the closest market prices, and then going and selling whatever quantity you want into the Tether asset. If you don't want to do a limit order, you could also do a market order. But I personally prefer limit orders, even if it is just using a limit order close to current price to help calm down the slippage. Once you have Tether though, you're going to want to stay on this USD pairing, and you're going to want to type in OMI. This is the symbol for OMI. And when you're on here, what you're going to want to do is select which price you want to purchase at, whether using a limit order or whether using a market order. And I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to place a limit order. I'm going to click on the order book and select a price that is relatively close to where the market is right now. I'm going to put in my own custom price. And I'm going to put 100% of my order. Now we can see that it is there as a pending buy order. And basically, I'll be waiting until the market decides to come down to my price point and fill me. If you wanted to buy at the market, you could do so in one of two ways. You could either click on the closest sell price, as displayed in the top of the order book, select the quantity and click buy, or you could switch from a limit order to a market order. If you wanted to see the chart from your mobile device, you would click in the top right-hand side. That's going to bring you over to the chart page. You're also going to be able to see some of the latest trades, as well as all of the pending orders. If at any point you decide that you want to change the price of your pending order, it's very easy to do so. All that you'd need to do is click cancel. It's going to cancel your order request, and then you can go and select a new price that you would like to potentially buy or sell at. After you've resubmitted your order, you simply wait for your order to be filled unless you have decided to buy at the market. Once your order has been filled, you will no longer see an open order. You will be able to go back and see the exact price point that you got filled at under your order history. If you wanted to sell your coin in the future, you would literally do the opposite of what we just did. On the trading screen, you would go to the sell function, you would select the price that you wanted to sell at, you would select the quantity that you wanted to sell, and then you would go ahead and execute that position into the market. That's going to be all for this video. Make sure that you like the video if you found it helpful, subscribe to the channel for more content, and if you're looking for information on how to withdraw your OMI to another wallet so that you can have possession of the coins, make sure that you check out the description for a link to the next video.